So in this video we're going to talk about number systems in Python and also conversion between those number systems. So in programming, like we have the decimal number system, we have the binary number system, we have the octal number system, and also we have the hexadecimal. So the decimal number system has the base 10 and it represents 10 numbers from 0 to 9. So the binary has the base 2 and it represents 0 and 1, where the octal has the base 8 and it ranges from 0 to 7, and the hexadecimal has 16 base, and here we have the digits from 0 to 9 and then letters from A to F. So the binary numbering system mainly used for bitwise operations in programming, and the hexadecimal numbering system is mainly used in the MAC address and also in case of the memory addresses. So let's now see how we can convert from one numbering system to another numbering system. So let's now see how we can manually convert from decimal number system to the binary number system. So suppose we have a decimal number 42 which has the base 10. So to convert this to one binary number, so here we have to divide the 42 by 2. So here the remainder is 0. So again we have to divide that. So here the remainder is 1. Again we have to divide. Here the remainder is 0. Again we have to divide this. Here the remainder is 1. And here the remainder is 0. So the binary equivalent of 42 will be from bottom to top. That means we will be starting from this to this number. So the result will be 101010, which is the binary equivalent of 42. So now also we can convert from the binary to the decimal also. So let's now convert this back to the decimal. So here first of all let's just write this number 101010. So we have to multiply each binary position starting from 2 raised to the power 0, then 2 raised to the power 1, and then 2 raised to the power 2, and then 2 raised to the power 3, then 2 raised to the power 4, and at the last 2 raised to the power 5. Now the result of these multiplication, we have to add them. So we have to add these results together. So let's now add them. So here, so this will be 32, then this will be 0, here this will be 8, then this will be 0, this will be 2, and this will be 0. Let's now add them together and this will be 42. So you can see we got the decimal equivalent of this binary number. So this way we can convert from any numbering system to another numbering system. So we can perform all of this conversion using Python function also. So suppose we wanted to convert from decimal to all the other systems like binary or octal or hexadecimal number. So for that we have dedicated functions. So to convert from decimal to binary we use the bin function, and here inside we can pass the number, the decimal number that we wanted to convert. So let's now print the result. So here is the binary number which is equivalent to this decimal number. So here the 0b indicates that this is one binary number. This way also we have the oct function. This will convert the decimal number to octal, and also we have the hex function. This will convert the decimal number to hexadecimal number. So if we print them, so now if we run this, so here you can see the 42 decimal number is equivalent to this binary number, this octal number, and this hexadecimal number. So octal has the prefix 0O, which indicates that this is one octal number, and hexadecimal has the 0x. And also let's now see how we can convert from binary, octal, and hexadecimal to the decimal number. So for this we can use the int function. So here the first parameter is the number that we wanted to convert, and then as the second parameter we can pass the base of that number. So suppose we wanted to convert from binary, so here first of all we put the number, binary number, and then the base of the number which is 2. So this way we can convert from octal number, and here the base is 8. and also we can convert from hexadecimal number to decimal number. So here the base is 16. So let's now print them. So if we run this, so you can see, so here first of all binary is converted to this decimal number, then the octal is converted to this decimal number, and then the hexadecimal number is converted. So either we can use the manual method for the conversion, or we can use functions to convert from decimal to other numbering system, and also we can convert from other numbering system to decimal. So hope you understand about numbering systems and conversion in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.